So we're working on our garden for this year. I don't know what Kiara doing. Kiara, what you doing? Putting it down. She putting it down. So this year we did a little bit different. We want to put the felt down across the whole section. Bricked it up. Hey, what y'all doing?
Nothing.
I got it $625,000 in the bank.
Mom and them working a little bit.
Daddy, can I do this?
Yeah, I sprayed that out. Hold on, baby. Before you put that in there, you want to spray that that compost out with that rake. Don't use the fork side. Use the flat side. Spread it out and then dump that in the middle.
Can I do that?
Mia ain't supposed to be doing that anyway. Yeah, but you can't. You gotta make sure you don't go too far down deep. You're gonna tear up the felt. JJ, you almost hit her in the head with that shovel, boy. I think we got too many spectators. What y'all think? How many more bags we got? Oh, we're gonna have to go back and get some more bags. Well, that's 2, that's 3. Ooh, Skeeters. After a long day working, getting the beds, y'all see them beds back there? Gotta do some country stuff on my old grill. What y'all know about that right there? What y'all know about that right there? Got some old country stuff going on. We got some sausage on the grill, some corn on the grill. Sausage already off. I know y'all saying, where the sausage at? It's already off the grill. We got some homemade baked beans. Country folk stuff. Hope y'all being safe out there. Don't forget to wash your hands. For y'all who never done this before, I told you I had the sausage already cooked. I'm talking about no pork, baby, no pork. That's chicken and beef, baby. Turkey. So what we gonna do is we just cut the tips off. See, it look like it's burnt, but it's not burnt. We cut the tips off, we peel it back, we dip that in some butter, some salt, and you good to go. So you see how we do that? You know what I'm saying? Just cut that back right there. Then you peel all that silk off of there. You know what I'm talking about? Then you take that and you dip it in some butter. You see that smoke coming off of there? Y'all see, hold on, let me get the camera straight. Y'all see that smoke coming off of there? And we'll take all of them like that. We're gonna cut them up like that. Then we're gonna dip it in some butter, salt, and pepper. Put that sausage and them baked beans. A little salad on the side. Man, this is how we do it down here in the South. Mississippi style, baby. Now, if you really like, they got corn all prepped. So you can hold it right there. You know what I'm talking about? You know, big pieces for that. Now, if you really like that fire roasted, we could take this back on the grill and get a little char on it. That's good too. But, you know, wife and kids ain't going for that. But that's it, man. Our corn is prepped. Salt, pepper, and butter. Well, not pepper, unless you like that type of stuff.